Hello everyone. As you know, I'm handling Unit 3 of Personality Development, and today's topic is dreams and hopes. Dreams and hopes, what is there in our general life that is also related. But since this subject is somewhere related to psychology and human resource management, I'm not going in deep for the commercial aspects. Let's see what is dreams and hopes. To understand the dreams and hopes, we should go for the goals and intentions too, and we should differentiate these four aspects. Here is the definitions. Hopes, a feeling of expectation and a desire for a particular thing to happen. Dreams, a desired aspiration, ambition, or ideal. Goals, the objective of a person's ambition or effort, an aim or desired result. Intention, an aim or plan determined to do something. So, I'm not going to explain these definitions. Let's understand these four aspects in simple. Even though these two aspects, goals and intentions, are not in your syllabus, I'm going to explain about these two. Okay. So before going to study about these four aspects, let's question ourselves. Does each four aspects will inspire, or else does it has any role in our actions or else in our life? So obviously your answer is yes. It may be a hope, it may be dreams, it may be goals or the intentions. These four definitely affect or influence our actions day to day life. Correct? So let's understand what these four aspects are. Hope. Hope implies a brighter future, that tomorrow will be better than today or yesterday. So this hope is like a positive feeling. So you think tomorrow will be better than today or yesterday. So hope also inspires people to invest in their own development. So it's not needed that you think tomorrow will be easier than today. So easier and better, there is a difference. Okay. So let's imagine if you are working as a data entry operator. Today you are going to get 200 forms to type. Let's assume. But you may think that tomorrow you're going to get more than that. But you're going to prepare yourself for the same. Right? And you think you can do this, and this job is easier for you. That is what the hope is. So tomorrow is better than today, not easier. Maybe easier or may not be easier. You may, that's related to your mindset. But you think tomorrow will be the better than today or yesterday. So you are thinking about the future, you are hoping for the best in the future. So that is what the hope is. And hope is a powerful motivator to overcome the adversity and create a new momentum towards a more desirable outcomes. So yes, in the adverse conditions, if you have the hope, it's definitely help for your personality development. So that is what the hope is. Let's understand the dream. It's a representation of a potential future state or event. In more practical terms, dreams are our bucket list. Articulates what we would like to have, be do, or give back. Usually with no prescribed deadlines other than this lifetime. Dreams may also include our wish list for others in our lives, those closest to us, and even for our communities, countries, and the planet as a whole. In very simple, dreams may not have any deadline other than your lifetime. Dreams may be realistic, dreams may not be realistic. You can dream more than, or else out of your imagination too. You can dream to live in Mars, you can dream to live in moon, but it may be possible or it may not be possible. So dreams are unlikely to become reality. This is very important. The main difference between a dreams and the next point, goals, are goals has the deadline, whereas dreams doesn't has the deadline. The goals has the limitations, whereas The dreams doesn't has any limitations except your lifetime. So you can dream anything. The dreams are endless, but your goals has some limitations. Okay, so let's go for the goals too. So goals are better defined as the dreams with the deadline. Goals are tangible, achievement oriented event or outcomes with the specific deadline identified to accomplish the goal. Specifically, what is your dream? How will the future be different and or better than the present? By when you would like that dream to come true? So the goals are like the main ambitions. Okay, so it's like your ultimate objective. So if your goal should be complete, then these four questions, these three below three questions should be answered. What is your dream? This is the first question. Obviously, you should define what exactly your dream is. How will the future be different? So in future, so obviously the dreams are related to future, and in future, how the situation may change and how your dreams have the hope and scope. So by when would you like that dream to come true? So what is the time limitations or else when you are going to achieve your that particular dream? So that is what the goal is. So goal is nothing but creating one particular standard. So you are going to put one limitation for you. For example, we will take the same example of data entry operator. Like if you are entered or if you are typed around 200 forms per today, you are going to put some limitations or some standards, like you should complete that 200 forms within 5 o'clock. You should type that within 5 o'clock. So this is what one particular standard is. That is what the goal. This is like the target. Okay, so what exactly the intention is? Intention is nothing but a strategy or idea or a process or the step you're going to take to make your goals the reality. Okay, so to make your goals to reality, what is the intention or else what are the steps you are going to take? What are the ideas you are going to make? What are the um, strategies you are going to follow? That is nothing but intention. So intentions turns the goals into action. It is a process by simply creating the energy and actions needed to make an outcome become a reality. Why do you want the dream come to true? Why do you want that dream to come true? So this is what the actual question is. So if this question is answered, then your intention is completed. Let's understand these aspects with a simple example. Let's imagine you are an athlete and you are competing for 1500 meters race. So in this particular case, what may be your hope? Your hope is you can complete this particular race. There is a positive attitude towards the future, no? That's it. So dream, your dream is to get a place in top 3. So maybe your dream it may be top 3 or else your dream to get a first place too. Goal, you wish to complete this race within 15 minutes. This is what the goal. So you're going to fix one particular standard here itself. You're going to yourself to complete this particular race within 15 minutes. And intention, or this is the strategy or a process or is the steps you are going to take to achieve your goal, to make your goal to reality. What are the steps or else what are the ideas, what are the strategies you are going to follow? I'm just given two strategies here. Running fast in the first two rounds and maintain the same gap, or else run slowly at the beginning and speed up in the last two rounds. It may be another strategy. Another strategy, the third strategy, maybe you're going to maintain the same speed throughout the complete competition and get the prizes, right? So this is what um, hope, dream, goal and intention is. Hope you understood, and if any doubts, please text me personally. Have a nice day, be safe, and good night.